Hello and welcome to a quick overview of the Legal Threat Detector application. Today we'll be covering how we can help you reliably identify, assess, and mitigate threats before harm occurs. Kroll has been helping our law firm clients address risks to their firms for nearly 50 years. We've now combined our industry-leading expertise in the threat management space with cutting-edge technology to help law firms capture risks associated with their onboarded matters quickly, succinctly, and on one pane of glass. We enable you to be proactive about resource planning and keeping your people safe. In this high-level demonstration, we'll walk through the completion of the guided online questionnaire and the instant risk rating that allows you to quantify risk. From there, you'll see how we use built-in workflows and reporting tools to track progress and how you can gain priority access to our team of experts and threat protection resources. Prior to looking at the workflow for a legal matter, we'll start in the output that you can expect to get. The dashboard immediately highlights high intake trending to allow you to see any spikes that may be cause for concern to your organization. This is shown in a week-over-week manner but can be configured as necessary. You can also see the risk distribution over all matters, including by risk groupings as set out in the assessment. This will allow you to identify any risk groupings of concern. Additionally, you will be able to view assessor workloads and all assessed matters, including key details about those matters. This dashboard can be filtered and drill-down metrics are available. As you look to share this dashboard with critical parties, visualizations or the entire dashboard can be exported. To start out the workflow for a legal matter, let's talk about the ways in which we can create matters. You may bring matters in through input from various parties, email ingestion, or likely integration with your conflict check and/or case management solution. Such integrations allow you to easily send over case details to support the responsible parties with their assessment. Hopping into the view of a paralegal, executive assistant, or attorney, I can see any matters that have been created that I am responsible for. The case details have been brought over through integration, and with all the information at hand, I can begin my assessment. This assessment should take about 5 minutes for the responsible party to complete. The assessment provided through this process provides a standardized and weighted scoring methodology. This questionnaire was developed by Kroll based on historical cases supported and our extensive experience in this space. The questions have been selected to best identify when a matter can be high risk to the organization, allow you to get visibility into these high-risk cases sooner. Without this, a matter may proceed without the proper controls, people, and systems in place, exposing your people and organization to harm. Also to note, the questions are configurable. For example, if you have a handful of firm-specific questions you would like to ask to assess risk, this can be supported. The responsible party for the assessment can quickly see any sections with outstanding questions to answer. Additionally, the person completing the assessment will not be able to see any critical questions or embedded scoring, removing any biases. Once all of the questions are complete, the person completing the assessment will be able to complete the questionnaire. Now we'll head into the view of the person that owns risk for your firm, an adjudicator, risk manager, chief operating or security officer, etc. For the purposes of this demonstration, I'll refer to this person as the risk manager. Your firm can decide how each matter is handled. Perhaps all matters flagged for review are sent to the risk manager, as in this view. Or perhaps you only send elevated and high-risk matters for review. This is completely up to you. On the Risk Manager's homepage, they will see any matters with completed questionnaires. These questionnaires have automatically been assigned a risk score based on the responses provided in the last step. Automatic emails can also be immediately sent to the Risk Manager when a new matter questionnaire has been completed. In this view, risk managers can quickly see the calculated risk score in addition to the full questionnaire. If something within the matter changes, they may also update these question responses based on your requirements. They also get additional views on the matter, including a call-out of high-risk questions and section scoring. Knowing that this matter has been deemed high risk, as a risk manager, Kroll can be directly engaged through the platform to ensure risk mitigation. We want to be there to protect your firm and people from the moment you start onboarding a matter. The Legal Threat Detector helps partners, risk managers, compliance teams, risk committees, and managing partners spot potential risks early so proactive mitigation strategies can be built before people's lives are affected and intervention becomes highly expensive. Kroll specializes in protecting people and firms from both harm and embarrassment. The legal threat detector gives you the gift of transparency and time. We communicate the matter risk and let you understand it so you can set yourself, your firm, and the people involved up for success. Before we wrap up, wanted to call out that we maintain the highest in cyber and information security standards to protect your data. Thank you so much for your time during our demonstration today. Please reach out to your Kroll representative to request a demo.